In this video, I will show you how to create products on JetPrint. First, log into your JetPrint account. On the left side of the dashboard, click on My Products. Next, click on Create Product. From here, you will see a wide selection of items you can design. Just choose any product you would like to work with and click on it. Once you're in, click on Design. Now you can start customizing. Upload a photo, design, or artwork. For example, if you want to put an image of the moon on your product, just drag the file over and place it onto the product. You can easily adjust the size and position of the image to get it just right. On the left side, click on the plus sign to preview your design in 3D view. This helps you see how it actually looks. And once you're happy with everything, go back and hit save. And that's how to create product on JetPrint.